Hey folks, welcome to Digital Asan. In this video, we are not going to review any website. Instead, let me introduce a tool, crazy tool. So go to the digitalasan.com and navigate to the tools section. In this page, you have seen many tools has been listed. In this, today we're going to review Days Alive Calculator. So basically, this is the calculator going to calculate your total number of days you have served in this year based on your data. Let me explain. So just give your data birth on this particular input form. So you can use this year navigation over here, and you can choose the month and you can pick the date. For example, I can give you some rough on random date 2015 June 7 or 8. I given this particular. So let me calculate my days. Wow. So here you can see you have lived for 3,702 days so far. So based on your data birth, it calculating, and there is some interesting facts also. For example, there is a standard facts, right? Per minute, how many heartbeats have beaten per day as a common average human walks, as well as per minute how many breaths we will take. There is some standard calculation based on that, based on your days we have calculated and given you. So this is some crazy tool I have built in my work, and yeah, I feel everyone must know how many days they have survived for. So because each and every day surviving on this earth is very typical and very interesting, right? So be proud of you have survived for this many days and your heartbeats beaten and you walked for and breaths taken. Everything is crazy and thankful to everyone, every your organs. If the tool is really making you interesting and crazy, you can use it, download and you can share it, and you can share with your friends, let them know how many days they have survived for. And if you want to really know more about this tool, you can use this navigation and you can let me know. And yeah, thank you so much. Next video we can see some other tool or some other website to be. Until take care. Bye bye. I'm your digital awesome.